Well, hello Premiere fans out there, this is Alan again. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use chroma key effectively in Adobe Premiere 2022. As you can see, we're on the main screen right now. What we're going to do is we're going to take a test clip, drag it onto our timelines like this. Keep existing settings in this case. Alright, and you can see your audio tracks down here at the bottom. We're going to trim and just focus on this section right here. We're going to go like that, and your control marker on there. Okay, so there's your screen right there. So this one was shot with a green screen. In order to be able to remove a green screen, what we're going to do is we're going to select in Effects, and then we're going to look for Ultra key. You see down here at the bottom. Click it, drag it, and drop it on top of your timeline like this, on top of your actual video asset. Once you do that, on the left side of the screen over here, you're going to see Ultra key show up. Click on the eyedropper and then click on the screen. There it is. Now this deleted the green specific color from the screen. If the areas in the background, as you can see here, maybe are not quite as clean, you can play around with selecting a more relaxed look. But you see some of the green down here. A more aggressive one, which does a better job of cleaning out the background. So this is a good little start for that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and add a background. So we're just going to pick one at random over here. We're going to grab this one here. Now remember, everything works in layers. So the top layer is what's going to be most visible. So take your layer, the video, put it on top, put the background layer underneath here in the bottom. There we go. In this case, the background is smaller than the main screen, so we're going to right click on the layer, and then down here where it says scale to frame size. Now we're making it a little bigger. I still want it a little bigger than that, so I'm going to go on the left side of the screen over here and scale, make it even bigger. There we go, until we're in the middle of it. I'm going to play around with here also, drop down the character a little more, and make it a little bigger, and all the controls are done here on the left side of the screen. There we go. There, now you're right in the middle of it. Now, a couple of other things you can do really quick on these are things like control the brightness and contrast. To do that, you go onto the left side of the screen, click on Effects. We're going to type in brightness and contrast. There's that one. Drop it onto the video layer one more time. There we go. Once you do that, on the left side of the screen, it shows up right there, and then you can play around with it. Make it bigger, brighter, or lighter. In this case, I'm going to make it a little brighter to fit more in line with the background. Add a little bit of contrast, and maybe a little bit less contrast. Kind of fade it out a little bit. And boom, we got a very simple chroma key setup. And as you can see, it's nice and clean. And that's how you chroma key on Adobe Premiere.